Are you guys facing this problem of cash at the transfer field? So are you trying to transfer money from a debit or a credit card into your Cash App, and every single time you try to link your debit card or credit card, or every single time and try to transfer in money from a debit or a credit card into your Cash App, it just doesn't allow that transfer to happen? And it says Cash App transfer field. Well, you guys are at the right video. Because by the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys, or I'm going to be telling you guys, and how we guys can fix this problem. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, Tech World, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe for a YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And let's jump into the video without any further ado. The first reason is, it might be a slow internet connection, which is stopping this transfer to happen. So always check your internet connection. Alright? And the other thing could be if your bank doesn't allow you to, like if your bank doesn't recognize this Cash App as a reliable source. If that's the problem, then it's your bank stopping you from transferring that money from their bank into Cash App. Because if that's the problem, the only way to fix it is you got to call your bank, contact the staff of her bank and ask them why they are not letting this transfer to happen. And if they can fix it, they'll fix it. And if they can't, then they can, because until then, unless your bank allows the transfer to happen, nothing is going to work right. And the other thing could be if like your Cash App is not up to date, so you gotta update your Cash App. Otherwise, if you don't update your Cash App for a long period of time, then it's going to malfunction. And the only way to fix it is updating it. So make sure to update your Cash App. And if nothing I told you until at this point, fixed your problem, the only thing you got to do is go to Google and you got to search for Cash App. Contact number is going to give it the contact number of Cash App. You got to contact that number. And you've got to contact the staff of Cash App. Once the Cash App staff picks it, you got to tell them, can you help me fix this problem? My Cash App keeps telling me transfer failed, and they're going to help you fix your problem, right? So hope you guys understand and how we guys can fix this problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Tech World, everybody. Have a nice day.